Yep, got her. Right now we're fishing with a chatterbait with like a green pumpkin Yamamoto crawler on the back of it. It's really cold out right now, so hoping this will work. Yep, big bass just jumped right behind me. That was a decent sized bass. Blew up on the top of the water. Alright, I just found an active bedfish. I actually saw quite a few, probably about a 1.5 pounder. Ain't nothing to brag about, but fishing's tough right now, so I'm down to catch anything. Oh, it popped off. A big old bass. That one that I said was about 4 pounds that was sitting right there on her bed. Bass on. Boom. Decent little bass off these gill beds. Nothing huge. We're at the second spot now. I just saw 2 bass swim by. They seem really interested in the crankbait, but it's way too shallow to keep casting that and get snagged up. See if they want to hit this hula popper. That is about a 2-pound bass right there. And he's just sitting there looking at my rattle trap, just not caring. Oh, there's a nice bass right there. This one's a little bit smaller right here. It's probably only a pounder. Maybe 2 pounds at the most. She ain't very big, this one right here. But it is a bass. Yep, got her. I got her. I got her. Yep, got her. I got her. I got her. Little one. Let her go. Sweet.